Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make spicy carbo noodle. This is quick and easy. Please stay tuned. You will need 1 bag of hot chicken flavor carbo noodle SAMYANG brand. And in a pot, start boiling your water. After your water is boiled, you will add in the noodle. Cook the noodle for about 5 minutes or until it becomes nice and tender. Once the noodle is done, drain it and place it into another bowl and leave about 8 teaspoons of the liquid. We will need it for the sauce. When the noodle is still nice and hot, put in your sauce and your cheese powder package. And to make the noodle a little saucy, we would add in about 8 teaspoons of the liquid that we boiled the noodle in. Once we add in all of our ingredients, we will stir it really well. The sauce might look a little bit watery, but will thicken soon. Our spicy chicken flavor carbo noodle is done, guys. Let's add in some over easy egg and kimchi for extra flavor. This instant stir-fry noodle is one of my favorite. It's creamy, flavorful, and oh so good. And hopefully you guys will get a chance to try it soon. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.